Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art. How do you like my last few videos in which I have explained you how to design a cartoon character male? I hope you have enjoyed those videos, and now today in this video I'll show you how to design a female cartoon character. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So in this video I'll start with the head, as I have done in my previous video while drawing the male figure. So first I'll explain you about the head and eyes, nose, whatever lies on the face. So first of all I'll draw a circle, and now I'll draw this is a 3/4 one. Okay, so I'll draw the eye line first and the center line, and here I'll draw the position of the eyes here and here, and here is the position of nose. I'll draw the ear over here and here. So this is the rough placement of the eyes, nose, mouth, ear, but this is the stage where you need to place the organs. Okay, so I have planned where to place the organs, and now I'll start doing the detailings. But before that, the secondary thing, the hair, I should design it from here. It may be rough, no issue, but again you need to draw it. Here you can do or draw as many times you want to, because this is the stage where you need to get the rough idea of your character. So I am planning to do like this. Do your character very lightly. When you are doing the detailings, you can press the pen or pencil on which you are with which you are drawing, and you will get the final lines. Okay, so see, these are secondary, but it makes a female character because of this, because of these accessories and hairs, eyelashes, okay, and mouth also. I'll show you that. So let me first freeze my character, and I'm planning to do the hair like this, and then I'll do maybe like this. So yeah, this is the rough, and I need to do the cleanup of this, but I need to explain you something. So I got my character, rough character, so I'll bring it over here in middle, and now let me erase these things. See, this is the rough, and now I'll reduce the opacity of this layer, and I will add a new layer in which I'll do the detailing. I'll take the red color, little darker, and now I'll zoom in. I'll start drawing the eyes first. Watch it very carefully. This is in real time, so you can observe how I am drawing it. I am also doing very carefully because this is the rough cleanup. Eyelashes is required to show that this is a female character. And now this side, see, this eye will be little oval shape because this is away from the camera or the screen. It is not towards us, so it will not look exactly oval or in this shape. and the eyelashes. I'm changing the nose, and you can make the mouth simple or you can add lips like this. If you are adding lips, then it will look more like girl, so try to add that. But for the sake of animation, if you don't want to add it, then it's well and good, no issue, because we need simple character in animation to animate. That's why we usually don't add lips. Now the hairs. Okay, this one will be little like this, and as this is also a rough cleanup, so you should not be afraid of drawing strokes. And from here, overlapping line. See, this line is above that line, that's why this is overlapping this line. Please watch the cursor very carefully to get the point. I told you that this line is on this line, so that's why to create this illusion you need to draw like this. This is overlapping. Okay, so now the hair. Okay, like this. There is no volume, so I need to erase it and create a little volume like this, or maybe it should be like this. Okay, I can make little changes over here, like I can bring this line little inward and then outward like this. Okay, and here the ear will visible very less like this, and the earring will come up to this, but again the overlapping line. You should keep in mind the lines. Yeah, that's it. This is looking little pointed, so I'll change it, and the flow is not looking that much nice as in rough, so I'll draw it once again. This will work. I'll put the shadow, and I will hide the rough layer, and I'll see whether it is looking nice or not. Now you can find the mistakes. With light hand I'll draw these lines. So yeah, this is the character. So after this you can do the cleanup of this character with single stroke. So to draw a female character face, Just you need to keep in mind few things. I'll tell you this. The eyes are the most important thing in both the character, male or female. Here the eyes, you can give the eyelashes like this. Okay, it will look female, and you can give one thick eyelashes, or you can add two, like I have done over here. I left this one. You can add more darker line or thick line like this. Second, the lips like this. Open mouth or teeth. This is a teeth actually. And you can use earrings, and what else, you can use this also, nose ring, and the hairstyle. That's it. You can make the character female. I hope you can draw your female character. Do some more experiment like I have done with the round face. You can do, I'll give you some example. Otherwise you can use this shape or any shape, and you can make your character like this. Okay, just go for rough drawings or rough scribbles and find out whether the drawing is coming nicely or not. Do some practices. Only thing I have told you, these things you need to keep in mind, and draw your character with any shape. Okay, only face you try. In my next video I'll tell you about the body. Okay, so take care and bye bye.